Morning everyone, just with Dorian and Axel. Say hello to the camera, Axel. Bonjour.
Bonjour. La forme ou quoi?
Heading down to the beach, Cape Trib beach. Got the Didge, drone, speaker, beers in the esky. It's gonna be a vibe. Billy T Safaris, free promo. Another day in the jungle. Hi, how's it going? This is Dorian.
Yeah.
Hello YouTube.
The Frenchie.
The Frenchie.
Yeah.
Don't go swimming. Nah, I think it's like at your own risk, so.
Yeah.
There is crocodiles there, but whew, not bad. Hi. How's that doing? Yeah?
Yeah.
C'est fantastique.
C'est fantastique. That's cool.
Whew.
I can just, but like when you use that.
And then when you push your lips against it, push your lips up against it.
I got it.
Yes, sir.
Fuck.
Let's go.
Breath. That's hard.
What's up, everyone? Just arrived at the Daintree Ice Cream Factory, I guess. See you in the NT.
It is what it is.
Ba-da-dun, ba-da-dun.
Rain.
Alright, see you in there. Got the wattle seed, the black sapote, strawberry, and then coconut at the bottom. They grow all the vegetables in the orchard here, which is pretty cool. There's a ripening cage. Mature fruit is ripe, protected from pests. Ooh. All locked away. Wattle seed. Tastes a bit like coffee.
Yellow Sprite avocado?
Yes, please.
That's you? Yeah, sorry.
Thank you very much. Go big or go home. Black sabote. Chapote. That's an interesting flavour. Tasted this one yet? The black sapote.
How do you normally drink?
Instant reaction. You like that?
So basically,
Oh,
it's
that's
like
good.
You copy the milk, but not too
I
cold.
It
like
tastes-
this one too.
Yeah, I like this. The wattle seed is well nice.
Okay.
What's that?
And this one, strawberry.
I'm not sure I like the black sapote.
Ah.
Pull in the wallet.
Strawberry. Tastes like a strawberry. Wattle seed and strawberry.
And visited up here a long time ago.
Crazy.
Now,
Coconut. Coconut always bangs. Oh, brain freeze. Affogato. Espresso. Oh shit. I spilled it. Espresso and yellow sapote.
Mango?
Yellow sapote.
What is it? Okay.
Tastes like a pumpkin. Yeah, it's good. It's good, eh? Axel, try a bit of that.
Mango sapote. How do you say?
Yellow sapote
Yellow sapote.
with espresso. Nah, not for you.
I like it.
Oh yeah? It's different.
Yeah. Ça filme?
Ça filme.
3, 2, 1, ça tourne.
Filme.
Ouais, ça tourne.
Ça tourne.
Ça tourne.
Ok. Did you get what we were saying?
C'est trop stylé, hein? Eh, t'éteins pas. Oh, mais tu peux voir comme as. Mais mec, c'est trop bien. Je veux une caméra, je veux une GoPro. Voilà.
Nous, on va acheter tout le matos. Mais si on va mon prochain voyage, ça sera complètement différent. Hein.
Mec, moi, je vais acheter une
On,
GoPro.
va être des professionnels. Hein.
On va être quoi? Elle est trop bien cette vue.
We're gonna be professional. Like maybe in 2 years, you know.
No, don't move your don't move your let's speak. Yeah, speak.
All right. So
You don't know.
I don't know now.
What's up, everyone?
What's up?
We're here with the Daintree Ice Cream Factory, and they grow all their fresh fruit here.
And with us.
Ice cream.
I'm with Axel here. This is my
Yeah,
friend.
yeah.
And not me.
He's from.
Yeah. Be careful, I have some bun.
Get out your hand.
He's got crazy sunburn.
Axel.
Yeah, show this.
Show the sunburn.
Yeah, show. Ooh. Oh la 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 la.
Oh la la.
Oh la la.
Yeah, French guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
And
cool.
Where are we going? We're going to Mossman Gorge.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
The next shot. Look
Yeah.
at this.
See you soon.
Back across to the mainland. Way. That was a good time. Good time had by all. Cape Trib is a vibe. Highly recommend it if anyone's planning on going. 28-minute drive to Mossman Creek and Mossman Gorge. See you there. Yo, so Mossman Gorge was closed. Yeah. Mossman Gorge was closed. So we've come to Port Douglas instead to check it out, but it's pretty late already. So it's quite dark. Pad Thai.
You put a video on YouTube?
Yep. Thai Douglas.
That's the yellow curry.
I've never tried. I never tried yet.
Give a reaction. What's that? This crab special?
Yeah.
Oh, mini cone.
Mini corn.
Yeah.
Give it a little taste, bro.
Is there a knife?
No.
No. All right. Yeah.
That's good.
Good.
Oui, oui.
Yo, so we ended up camping in Ellis Beach
After the Thai dinner in Port Douglas.
and this one here. So like, subscribe, peace out.
Ain't got no one that back calling me spurs. Let me jump right on the curb.